Hello and welcome.
Don't need ribbons and bows to cure my woes. No, I just need your love. Expensive rings or diamond things. No, I just need your love.
Today I am doing, I think probably it's going to be, also I'm so nervous this isn't focused because I'm figuring all this camera stuff out and I'm not very good at it. But today I am going to be doing probably the most fun thing I could ever do in the world for myself, and it's going to be having the most Christmas day ever. So basically I'm just going to be so festive, do everything that I want to do for Christmas. I'm talking Christmas cookies, Christmas shopping, gift wrapping. Like I'm literally gonna gift wrap right now. I have like all the goods. Go to get a festive drink, paint my nails festive. Literally just anything I can think of. That's the plan. I hope you enjoy, and I'm gonna start wrapping presents. Okay, so these are the options for the Christmassy nails. I think I'm gonna go with this one because I just love sparkles and this is a good time to go for it. You know what I'm saying? So we're just gonna go for it. Okay, I'm on my way out. I painted my nails. I'm gonna put on a nice popping red lip so it's even more festive. Also, if there's a beeping while I'm recording or in the video, I don't know how to get rid of that. If anybody knows camera things, why is my camera beeping? I turned off all the beeps, I turned off all the sound to my camera. I think it has something to do with the focus, but I have no idea and I'm really confused. So, what is going on? Oh my goodness. Could I get a peppermint mocha? That's scary stuff. If she would have seen me filming, like ordering, she would have looked at me and thought, this girl is like literally crazy. What is wrong with her? But she didn't, so it's okay. This isn't bad. Peppermint mocha, quarter sweet. That wasn't bad. Okay. Noted. I thought, well, since it's Christmas theme and since I'm driving, I would share my favorite Christmas songs for the Christmas season, obviously. So I have a playlist and I'm just gonna go through it, skip through it really fast because I think if I actually play the song, it will get copyrighted or something. I really love the song Like It's Christmas by the Jonas Brothers. That's my favorite new song of this year. Then, of course, Michael Bublé's Christmas song. Let's see what's next. Shake Up the Christmas by Train is so sweet and happy and good. And this isn't what it's like. If you haven't listened to it, it should be like your favorite. It's just a really good one. Then the next one, Santa Claus is Coming to Town by Justin Bieber. Just in general, the whole mistletoe, obviously, Justin Bieber.
It's the most beautiful time.
Fa La La, Justin Bieber. That whole album is just solid. Go for that whole album. Santa Tell Me, Ariana Grande. Last Christmas, Taylor Swift. Oh, Phil Wickham, his whole Christmas album is beautiful. So I think his version of the Christmas Waltz is my favorite version. Like, this is it, and it's so, so beautiful. Okay, going back to the Christmas songs really quick, I forgot to add that I also like the Michael Bublé and Frank Sinatra Christmas stuff because I do like things other than just like pop music. That all sounded so like popish and I realized that when I watched it back. Also, Lauren Daigle is really good too for her Christmas stuff. Johnny Swim is also really good. Sleeping at Last is also really good. I just had to add those. The Lumineers has a really cute like Christmas song. But yeah, I just had to add that. Okay, bye.
Hello.
Matthew's the best vlogger out of everyone. Just saying. He is a natural. We're getting some Christmas cookie.
We're going this way?
We're going this way. Again, just seriously a natural. We're going to get some things to make Christmas cookies. The Christmas trees. We just basically came to Johnny. Matthew would like to share that the reason he's such a good vlogger is because he actually himself had a YouTube channel. What was the name of your channel so everyone can... Matthew McLean.
Yeah.
Wasn't it Pokemon cards?
Well, I deleted like half of those though.
Oh,
so
really?
It's just a Johnny upgraded Let's Play.
Oh, okay. So it's a, is it like you video gaming?
One episode.
Wait, when did you do that?
I don't remember. I did it on the computer at home.
Like, how like old were you?
I was 11.
Oh, okay. Never mind. I thought this was more recent. But he does have a YouTube channel. Go subscribe. Make him famous, all 16 of you. Bye. Another great package secured. Oh my god. And we're gonna cross the street now. And we're gonna go make some Christmas cookies now. Matthew got some Coke for his reward of coming with me. What a sweet brother. Matthew is just, as I was saying previously, a natural. So I thought if I'm going to do a drive with me with anyone, it would be Matthew because he's just
wonderful.
A comedic
Fantastic.
genius.
I know he is.
So, and also just he's figured life out. Simple as that. So I thought I would ask Matthew some of the world's most thought of questions. First of all, Matthew, I would like to know, how do you get a girl to like you?
Simply, you don't say anything to them.
Oh, yes.
Of course, you can't talk to them. That's obvious.
Obvious.
I mean, they're dumb.
They're dumb?
Make sure. No, you're dumb.
Oh,
if you
yes.
talk to them.
Yes,
That's just,
yes.
Sorry. No.
Yes.
Oh.
Time's out. New question. Haven't really thought of these, so let me just think of this. How do you feel about Donald Trump?
Donald Trump?
Yes, Donald Trump.
Okay. You know Donald Trump? Great guy.
Great guy.
Great guy. I really agree with his business model. Very good business model.
Good businessman.
Now he's a president, and not anymore though, because he got impeached.
Wait, he did?
I'm pretty sure he got impeached.
What?
Yeah, that's.
Who's our new president?
We don't have a. I don't even know. I'm really confused. I was reading news in like class because I was like, wait, did he get impeached? Because I saw an Instagram thing that said he was impeached.
I think they're trying to impeach him. Did
Well,
they impeach him?
I thought they were, and then I think he's impeached because everyone's saying, yay, he's impeached. And everyone was at school was like, Donald Trump, how does he fit in a peach? And it was, yeah, you know,
Funny
it's just,
stuff.
It's
Matthew,
funny. It's funny. That's
how
just
do
my
you
school.
deal with high school drama?
Well, there isn't any. There's
Oh.
not any high school drama. So
Yes.
It's pretty easy.
Easy. How do you deal with... Let's see. I'll give you a scenario.
You rolled the stop sign.
Matthew, this stop sign doesn't matter, so let's just leave it at that. Okay, so I'm starting on the cookies. I have all the ingredients. Like, I bought so much stuff. A bunch of things to decorate. Going to get started. I'm really nervous someone's gonna walk in, so it's probably gonna be a time lapse for baking. So that's the plan. I'm so excited though. So yes, and I'm gonna watch a Christmas movie while I do this to make it the most fun thing I've ever done in my life.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look at the 5 and 10. It's glistening once again with candy canes and silver lanes that glow.
So I now have the dough, and I'm going to put it in the fridge to chill for an hour. Lauren's coming with me. She literally just told me, and she's so happy because she's so bored and she just wants to come with me. Me too. She just accidentally agreed to coming with me. But this sister is stuck. She is sister stuck. James Charles, coming soon. You hit things all the time. Hello, welcome. I have got all of my siblings out here. Lauren, you can see, right?
Why, hello?
They all wanted to come so that they could be famous.
We all
That
wanted
is
to
the
come.
purpose. They all did,
We were not dragged here by
including
any
Lauren.
means.
And we're going to the Christmas store. I think it would be only appropriate if we all sang a 1, a 2, A 1, 2, 3, 4.
Angels we have heard on high.
I just really want to video the entrance to this place. It's absolutely fabulous. It's beautiful. It's literally closed.
Yeah, it's late at night.
Ah! Lauren. Sorry, I'm so sorry. So we're gonna go look at Christmas lights now because that was a fail, and that's so annoying because I literally was like, that's gonna be the highlight of today is going to that store because it's seriously like the best place ever. I'm probably gonna still go tomorrow though.
It's not that great, not gonna lie, it's okay.
I wish there's gotta be. We could go to a Christmas tree farm.
We have a Christmas tree.
Like one outside though.
I don't know that those would be open either.
There's one next to Kohl's.
That's not
Just
funny.
go galloping around. looking. Okay, well
Wait,
we're
do
just
y'all
gonna
have
go
homework?
look.
Eduardo!
No, it's the
What
last
is it?
day. Who are you
I'm
talking?
driving in the van.
Eduardo. This boy Eduardo keeps harassing my
What did you
brother.
say, Eduardo?
Listen, kids, I have a brilliant idea. We should go Christmas caroling. Let's go knock on people's door and carol.
We're not even dressed.
What are the odds?
Yeah, we aren't even dressed for it.
I'm dressed for it.
You
Yeah,
are.
I'm dressed
We should
for
play
it.
What Are the Odds?
I'm wearing
And
a
the
jacket.
losers, or Farkle, and the loser has to go sing to someone's porch. Ready for Christmas, Christmas time is here. Time for joy. I'm gonna hear my voice way too clearly in all of these.
Oh yeah, candles burning low, lots of mistletoe, lots of snow and ice everywhere we go. Choir singing carols right outside my door. All these things and more. All these things. Oh, that's what Christmas means to me, my love. Oh yeah.
So they're chilled, but now I'm a little worried because they're literally like hard as a rock. So we'll see how this goes. So here's a realistic life update. I am so sad right now. So sad. I got wrapped up in doing the dishes and watching this holiday movie that I forgot that I wanted them in for like an extra minute, like literally just a minute. So I forgot about them. And then now look at them. Isn't that so sad? Like these are fine. So I'm still gonna decorate these. But these are just done, and that's just awful. It literally looks like I made gingerbread men. I'm honestly more happy about this than sad. And now I only have to decorate as many cookies as I want because I don't have to decorate all of them. So this is good. This is a good thing, you know? It's midnight. I finished the cookies. Here they are. I'm so tired. I'm gonna clean all this up and go to bed. So, I know this cooking part was a bit of a fail, but I had fun. I watched literally 3 Christmas movies, so that was good. Yeah, thank you for watching.
Christmas means to me, my